A remarkable story of a young prodigy is about to unfold, one that challenges our perceptions of human potential and the boundaries of science. Meet Laurent Simons, a 15-year-old Belgian who has just achieved the extraordinary, earning a PhD in quantum physics. But here's where it gets controversial. Laurent isn't content with this remarkable feat. He's setting his sights on an even more ambitious goal: creating superhumans and unlocking the secrets of human immortality. Laurent's journey is nothing short of extraordinary. Born in Belgium, he was recognized as a prodigy from a young age. By the time he was 8, in 2018, he had already completed high school, a feat that would take most students a full 4 years. In 2019, Laurent nearly broke records by attempting to earn a university degree before turning 10. However, scheduling conflicts led him to drop out of the electrical engineering program at Eindhoven University of Technology. Undeterred, he switched to a physics bachelor's program at the University of Antwerp, graduating with distinction in just 18 months, a remarkable achievement considering the typical 3-year duration. At the tender age of 12, while his peers were still in secondary school, Laurent completed a master's degree in quantum physics. Full-time students usually take 2 years to complete this program, but Laurent finished all courses in the first semester, dedicating the second to his thesis and an internship. His internship at the Max Planck Institute in Germany focused on quantum optics, where he began exploring the fascinating intersection of physics and medicine. His master's research delved into the analogy between boson states and black holes, studying Bose-Einstein condensates at ultra-cold temperatures. After completing his master's, Laurent's thirst for knowledge wasn't quenched. He pursued a PhD, feeling he hadn't yet reached his personal limits. In an interview with TV channel VTM, he shared his ambitious goal. "After this, I'll start working towards my goal: creating superhumans." Laurent's interest in human immortality isn't new. He's been fascinated by this concept since he was 11, calling it his end goal. With an IQ of 145, classified as highly gifted, Laurent is certainly a force to be reckoned with. Right after defending his PhD, Laurent returned to Munich with his father, already enrolled in a second doctoral program in medical science, specializing in artificial intelligence. Laurent's story is a testament to the incredible potential of the human mind and the power of ambition. It raises questions about the limits of human achievement and the role of intelligence in shaping our world. What do you think? Is Laurent's ambition inspiring or a sign of a society pushing its youth too far? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's spark a discussion on this intriguing topic.